I'm so excited for today because we are going to go shopping together at Arhaus. Now, if you are anything like I was when I first learned about this store, Arhaus, you are probably curious how their pricing is compared to their quality. So I have purchased a few pieces over the years from Arhaus. I'm going to share with you my opinion on their quality and their price, and then we're going to go shopping together, and I will link everything below. Also, please comment. Let me know if you have ever purchased anything from there and how you feel about their price versus their quality. So let's go.
Beds are generally over $3,000. I shop elsewhere for my beds. I love the bench, however. And next, we're going to go look at something I think is super adorable, this nightstand. I love how it pulls out, and it's a good price for the wood, and this particular shade is pretty hard to find. I do think the vessels at Arhaus are definitely worth the price. These are so cute. This larger one is just over $100. Those smaller ones are on sale for $80. This particular one is on the spendier side, around $300, but it was really gorgeous in person. And then they had more vases on this table, which I really love all of their vessels and vases. The sectional you see in the back is also a pretty good deal. It's called the Coburn. I love this console table. I feel like their console tables are nicely priced when you compare them to other ones like Pottery Barn. Also, those poofs that you just saw under that table, those blue ones, they're a really great price at Arhaus. Here's another one that are jute that I think are a fabulous price. This console table is one of my absolute favorites at Arhaus. The mirrors are pretty expensive. This particular mirror is over $1,300. The black basket you see in the corner is also on the spendier side, over $400. I loved this adorable cabinet. I should have bought it. It was a floor model and it was so cheap. I love this piece if you're looking to add some character to your kitchen. Also, this bar is amazing at just over $2,000. I think it's also a good price point for what it is. It's pretty unique with the drop-down counters, and it's kind of a space-saving bar. I loved these wall baskets, and then they do have a lot of nice leather furniture. Their leather comes in multiple different colors. It's really comfortable, but if you're looking for an affordable chair, then this next chair was only $7.99 on sale, and it's so cute. The sofa was ultra comfortable. I really love this modern lines. And then these chairs, how cute are they? I would probably switch them with a different dining table, but I love those chairs. I didn't love the setup here, but I do like the table. I would also take off these dining chairs and bench, and I would put them with these gorgeous fabric rolling chairs, which are one of my favorites. I really love Arhaus dining chairs. I do think the value is there. I have purchased both dining chairs and stools from them, and I don't regret spending the money on their chairs or stools. I love this dining table as well, very classic, and the price is pretty similar to what you would spend at Pottery Barn. This combo I thought was so cool. These chairs, more of a mid-century modern vibe, but then this table, ultra modern, kind of whitewashed with the black metal base. I just thought this combo was awesome. I wouldn't spend money on this art, but I would DIY my own version of it. I really loved how they put two shelves together here to make the look extra wide. This little cabinet is perfect if you have a narrow space and just need some storage for your kitchen. I love this piece. I think it's so classic and elegant. It comes in multiple different wood tones, and those little handles and details are cute. Now this black cabinet, you've probably seen it everywhere. It's one of my favorites. I love the arch top, and I just think it would elevate any room you put it in. When it comes to accessories, I think Arhaus does a really good job, and they're pretty affordable. So this is $49 for a stone bowl, which is a great price compared to any of the other high-end furniture stores. They had a lot of cute accessories. These are all different kind of stone, wood. I did end up going home with this. I could not believe the price. It was $39. And it's beautiful. I'm using it on my outdoor patio bar just for styling some cups, and I love it. Before I say goodbye today, I wanted to show you my dining chairs as well as my breakfast stools, which I've had both for over a year now, and I really love them. Thank you so much for watching with me today, and I hope you'll be back again next week.